Hi everyone, this is our milestone 3 video submission for our project. It's called Piper, and as you can see here, it is a web-based trading simulator. You can paper trade with real-time stock prices. So to gain access to the site, users will need to sign in with Google. So after signing in with their Google accounts, users will be redirected to the profile page, which displays their name, email, available balance, unrealized profit and loss, as well as daily profit and loss. So new users will start with a balance of $10,000 in their trading accounts, hence making $10,000 the default values for available balance and unrealized balance. Available balance indicates the amount of capital the user has to purchase stocks, whereas unrealized balance indicates the total capital the user has. This value is equal to the sum of available balance and the stock value of the user's current positions. So the users can simply navigate to the trade page by clicking on the trade button at the top of the page. So users will see Apple as default and are able to toggle between other tickers in this drop-down list. Yeah. So to buy a stock, users will put in the quantity and click submit. So there are two possible outcomes when the user attempts to buy. First is traded successfully. If the user inputs a valid integer and makes a purchase within the limits of their available balance, the stock purchase is deemed successful. And the user's list of stock positions and trade histories are updated accordingly with the latest price. Another situation is when the user inputs a quantity that exceeds their spending limits, for instance 1,000, then not enough balance is displayed, as well as buy button that the users will have to click on to make another purchase attempt. So now to demonstrate how the user can sell stock, likewise put in the quantity that they would like to sell, for instance 1. So once it says sold successfully, this will be updated in our portfolio page as well. Yep, so now I will go into the detail of our portfolio page, which consists of two tables. First is open positions and second is trade history. So open position contains the user's existing stock positions, and each position has ticker, quantity, average price, latest price, unrealized P&L, as well as percentage P&L. So the average price is the average value of the user stock position, and unrealized P&L is generated, and this value is equal to the difference between the latest price and the average price multiplied by the position quantity. So now the trade history contains the history of all successful trades made by the user, which is further classified into buys and sells. So the entry price is the value of the stock at the time of purchase, and our sell trades has more attributes that includes realized P&L, which refers to the profit or loss incurred at the stock exit point. And this value is equal to the difference between the exit price and the average price multiplied by the selling quantity. Yep. So now we will showcase our backtesting function. So the trading strategy we decided to use is GMMA, Copy Multiple Moving Average. So this function allows the user to discover how this strategy will play out using historical data. So let's put in any stock, any day, and see how it works when the user clicks backtest. So the left shows all the buy and sell signals the algorithm detects, and you'll perform the trade at the most optimal time it seems. The final stats is on the right. And of course, all this will change with different input of stock and date. So we have trade page, backtest page, portfolio page that is updated with the real-time stock market price, as well as our profile page. So once the user is done exploring or using our web app, they can log out by clicking on this button and log back in anytime. Yeah, and the value would have changed because the stock price moves when the market is open. So with a change in price, let's say I attempt to make another purchase of 2. The price will change accordingly. Yeah, that's all for our demonstration. Thank you so much.